let's go now from the ABC to DE. So let's just write down a formula. X squared minus 5x plus 6. Now, this is the ABC form. To create this or make it into the DE form, we can definitely do that by actually already putting in between brackets what this is already the expanded version. Yeah, so we can then rewrite this into x is minus 2 and x is minus 3. And then we have the DE form. But in this case, A is 1. D over here, D is 2. And E is 3. So this is the DE form. So you actually factorize it, and then you can get this form. Now, let's say that, let's change it a bit. Let's say that this was 4. And this would then be, let's say, minus 20, and this would be 24. Even then, you cannot just divide 4 and then it's just gone. Then the formula would be 4 in the front, because you are dividing everything by 4 in order to factorize it. So you put the 4 in the front, and then it changes. The A is not 1, but the A is 4. So you can actually write every ABC form into a DE form. Let's go to the next question. Creating the PQ form and then going to the ABC form. So now in the next question, we're going to from PQ to ABC. And we're going to do that by using exercise 53. So if you can be so kind, take exercise 53. So let's set up the formula for a parabola. They are giving in 53A, they are giving the vertex, which is minus 3, minus 2. And they are giving a coordinate, I'll just call it A. They're giving a coordinate minus 1, 2. Yeah, so they're giving the vertex and a coordinate. Now, we have to do the PQ form. The moment you get the vertex in for the PQ form, you can immediately write already a bit the formula. You know the generic one is fx is ax minus p squared plus q. So you don't know the a yet, so you leave a. You do have a p. The p is minus 3. So this changes into plus 3 because x minus minus 3 becomes plus. Squared, and then it doesn't go up, it goes down, so you have minus 2. Now, it's almost complete. You got to use the other coordinate to figure out the little a. This is the y, this is the x. So we fill in, we get 2 is a x plus 3 squared. I said x, but I mean minus 1, of course, minus 2. Now we calculate. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2. So we get a is 2 squared minus 2. 2 is a times 4 minus 2. 2 is 4a minus 2. Let's bring this to the left hand because we can do the balance method here. Plus 2 plus 2. 4 is 4a. Well, you can guess it. A is 1. But you have to show this. So conclusion, your formula in the PQ form is the 1. We don't need to write the 1, but 1 indeed in the front. X plus 3 squared minus 2. How do you write this in the ABC form? Okay, let's do that on this side. You rewrite this by expanding brackets. Now, I'll put the 1 in the front just to show you what happens if there is a number or a fraction in the front, okay? So we get x plus 3 times x plus 3 minus 2. We expand the brackets with the parrot model. We get x squared. Please do that yourself, and then you can go already to the final answer and see if you have it correct. I'm not going to use a lot of intermediates. I'll immediately write down. But because there's a number in the front, in this case it's 1, but let's say if it was another number, you really have to put the brackets around this. So eventually you would multiply everything with the number in the front. In this case it's 1, so it's a bit trivial. Then we put the like terms together, 9 and minus 2, we get x squared plus 6x, and this becomes plus 7. So our ABC form is x squared plus 6x plus 7, and you can write down the A, the B, and the C if they ask you to do that.